Hello there. It is a unit of Bidara condo here for rent. Fully furnished, full kitchen cabinet, fully air conditioner, with a dining table, 4-seater dining table, couch set, TV cabinet, available immediately. Master bedroom, air condition, wooden flooring, attached bathroom with a shower. Next we move on to the second room and the second bathroom. We have a second bathroom here with shower, water heater. Second room also bright with a single bed, air conditioner, closet. Thank you.